Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do a door blend. This is a 2019 model Honda. 2019 model Chevy Malibu. We put a new door right here and a new fender right here. So new fender, new door, the old one's still on it, but we're going to blend the color that I painted on the new door onto the back, like this here. Okay, and then when we get done with spraying the color, then we're going to clear the whole door. Okay, so I'll be right back. First thing I spray on here is going to be the T490, which is transparent or clear base coat. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so I sprayed the transparent base coat on here, even though it's not really transparent. It's very pinkish, almost like blue, and that's the water. What's going to happen is, when I dry this with the fan, I'm going to take this fan right here, I'm going to point it at it, just like this. I'm going to plug it in, and point the air at it, and it's going to dry it. And after that, we'll start spraying color. I'll be right back. So right now, the fan's blowing on it. Now, we don't want to get in front of it because the dust off our back and shit will blow into it. So what's going to happen is it's going to dry it, and it's going to be really, really satin looking. All even, but satin. Okay, so the fan's blowing on it. We're going to unplug the fan. Okay, so it's slowing down. Now we're going to walk over here and look at this. Would you look at that? No. Okay, so see how it's all satin now? It's all nice and satin. Okay, now I'm going to come over here. I'm going to take my paint gun. I've already switched it from the T490, which is the transparent base coat. Right there. You can't hardly see that. There it is. T490. Now switch it to the actual color, which is already in the gun. Okay? So now we're going to spray the red, that base color on that door. And I'll be right back. Okay, so I've sprayed that base color onto this door, but only on the front half. Only from about here to about right here or so. Then it kind of fades back. Now I'm going to take the fan, and I'm going to blow the front half of this, and it's going to dry, and we're going to put 2 more coats, because that's what we did last time. 2 more coats to make 3. See? So I'll come over to my fan, plug it in. It's running. It's going to blow on that paint, the actual color, and it's going to dry it. And I'll come back and we'll put some more coats on. Okay, so the fan's still running. As you can see, it's almost dry. Okay? Now remember, the paint only went from here to here. So you can kind of see a line right here where the paint stops. So I'm going to put 2 more coats on this. I'm not going to film that because it's really hard to tell the difference with the camera. But I'm going to put 2 more coats on it, and then I'm going to film one more time of it clear, so you'll see what it looks like when it's back to normal. Alright. Okay, I changed my mind. I decided to go ahead and film this because I wanted to show you the difference. Remember before, the paint only went to about right here. Now it's to right here. Okay, so the whole idea is to blend this color back gently onto the panel into the original color. So if you just painted from here to here and stop, you might see a transition line between this and this. But this way, the softer edge can even go up like this and a V. That softer edge is much harder to see, just in case the color is just a little bit wrong. But in this case, the color should be fine. We're usually pretty good at picking colors, but as you see, it's drying. This is the final coat, the full clear. Fan's blowing it. You can tell because the paper is moving. I'll be right back with clear. Okay, so I'm going to clear this door now. Here's my clear gun. You can see the clear inside of it. See how it's just normal. It's just clear. Kind of looks like beer. Anyways, there's my clear gun. Euro. I like it. Got a lot of miles on it. Been using it for almost 10 years now. So Anyways, here's the door. See how it's all satin. You can't tell the transition in it. Okay? So now it's done. But what is it missing? It's missing clear. That's why it's all flat. Satin is what I would call it. So we're going to spray the clear from the clear gun onto here and make it shiny just like the rest of the car. Okay? Be right back. Okay, so I sprayed 2 coats of clear on the door. So now it's back to normal. Okay, now if you look, you can't see the transition between the color. You cannot see it. Okay? So when we get it outside and the customer comes to pick it up, all the colors are going to match. Man, my phone just keeps getting blurry. There it goes. Alright. So there you are. You get the idea.